Assalamualaikum everyone. So many of you is requesting to make a vlog on how to get married here in Kuwait English version, so a lot of people can understand. In this video, I will explain to you the process. For 18 visa, if you are foreigner and your partner is Filipina, your partner need to take her Sanmar and birth certificate in the Philippines. She can also take it online and they will deliver it to their home in the Philippines. Her family just need to receive it. I will upload later on my other video the tutorial on how to take it online. She can also go on a vacation to take it or ask her parent to go to municipal hall. If they already have it, they need to go to Department of Foreign Affairs or DFA for apostille. The Filipina also need to write an authorization letter that she allowing her parents to take her documents and kindly email it in the DFA. Here is the sample of my authorization letter. If the apostille is done, her parents need to send it to Kuwait through LPC or air cargo. If she already have it here, she have to make it Arabic translation and go to Philippine Embassy for stamping. Next step is go to Ministry of Foreign for another stamping and all the requirements are done. If she is visa 20, she have to ask her employer to give her a letter of sponsor that allowing her to get married here. And for you as a foreigner, only civil ID and a passport copy only needed. If everything is done, you and your partner has to go to Reggae Court and bring 2 witnesses with you. Your witness should be a man, not a lady. You can come early as possible and pass all the requirements there and get married. That's all the process. Please like and save this video for your future references. Thanks for watching. Congratulations in advance and have a happy marriage.